got the pull set, or the pull frame set where I want it, but these legs they move way too much. So I got some pieces of rebar I cut down to about 2 foot, and I'm gonna drive them into the ground about 1.5 foot so I can have something to anchor the bottom of the leg to. I'm gonna try to do this left-handed and not hit myself in my bad hand. Alright, so now I got the piece of rebar drove down about 1.5 foot. Now I can bring this up against it and tie a piece of tie wire around here so my bottom leg don't move. Now I'll do this to the rest of the poles. Alright, so this is day 4. We're going to put the fence around the chicken coop. I got my father-in-law coming to help me out because I can't do this at all by myself. First thing we're going to do is on one side of the chicken coop here, we're going to attach the chicken wire so we can start going around the pool with it. So let me get that attached and I'll show you that in just a second. Alright, so I have it attached to the side of the chicken coop, zippy tied all the way down, and now we'll start rolling this wire all the way around. Alright, so we got it attached to this side here and all the way around. That's my ladder to get out. Alright, now we're going to put up a net over the top of this so nothing can get in and the chickens can't get out. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but we put the net over the top of it, and it goes all the way across the whole top of the chicken coop, and the chickens are coming out to do some foraging. So that is a chicken coop recycled from an old pool. The frame of the pool. Alright guys and gals, well that is the chicken coop built out of the recycled pool. This thing was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. It took me 4 days to get this all set up, put together, and I don't think I could have done it without the help of my father-in-law. I could not move this fence around because it's way too heavy. But we got it up there. The chickens are doing great, and I will keep y'all updated on how everything's going with the chicken coop. Alright guys and gals, well that is it. That is the chicken coop build. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give that thing a thumbs up. Those things are awesome. And I'll catch y'all in another video. Until then, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later. Backwoods